Lecture number 23. The next we proceed with Cannizzaro reaction. Now the basic difference in both the reactions, just compare the two reactions, aldol and Cannizzaro. You could make the difference in the two. Cannizzaro reaction जो है ना, it is a redox reaction. Redox मतलब क्या? Simultaneous oxidation and reduction takes place in the reaction. Next, what I can say is the reaction takes place in the presence of 50% of concentrated NaOH or KOH. The next point is the reaction is given by the compounds which do not contain alpha hydrogen. जिसमें alpha hydrogen नहीं है will give Cannizzaro reaction. Fine. Okay. Now see. Formaldehyde. We have taken two molecules of formaldehyde. I have explained reaction कैसे होता है. आपको एग्जाम में ऐसे लिखने का है. The reaction of two molecules of formaldehyde, they are reacting with water. One molecule is reduced, the other molecule is oxidized. So what is it converted to? It is converted to methanol and formic acid. That is this step. Okay, it is this step. Next step में अभी it is reacting with sodium hydroxide. Simple question. Sodium hydroxide के साथ ये दोनों में से react कौन करेगा? The one which is acidic in nature. So alcohol and acid में as carboxylic acid है ना वो, so that would be reacting with a base to form salt and water. अभी in this, अभी common is what? HCOH. Fine. So this is cancelled. Similarly, water is cancelled, and that is how you get the overall reaction of Cannizzaro. That is, two molecules of formaldehyde reacting with sodium hydroxide. I get sodium formate and methanol. That is Cannizzaro reaction. Now, the same reaction takes place with benzaldehyde. So, what is? I have taken instead of NaOH, I have taken KOH. What is it converted to? Potassium benzoate and benzyl alcohol. So, these are the products. The reaction you can write in a similar way as we have written the reaction above. Okay, similar way you can write. Okay, as we had cross aldol condensation, similarly you have cross Cannizzaro reaction. What is Cannizzaro? Cross Cannizzaro. Cross Cannizzaro मतलब one molecule is benzaldehyde, the other molecule is formaldehyde, and is reacting with a base. So out of the two, benzyl alcohol बनता है, aromatic compound है उसका alcohol बनेगा, and formaldehyde is converted to its, or it is oxidized to the corresponding salt, that is sodium formate is formed. This is called as cross Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, now as I said, the reaction is only given by the compounds which do not contain alpha hydrogen. For this, isobutyraldehyde is the exception. Isobutyraldehyde is the exception. Isobutyraldehyde gives Cannizzaro reaction. So that is all about Cannizzaro reaction. Now the next and last reaction for aldehydes we go for, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. Now it is the reaction of benzaldehyde reacting with, like, what is it reacting with? It is reacting with a nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture मतलब concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid का mixture, that is called as a nitrating mixture. As you know that aldehyde is a meta-directing group. It is a deactivating. It is a meta-directing group. Hence, nitro group किधर जाएगा? The nitro group will go at the meta position. So, what is the product? The product is meta-nitro-benzaldehyde and water is formed. So, all this we end with the reactions and entire aldehydes and ketones. Now, we are left with carboxylic acid. So, in the next lecture, we proceed with the carboxylic acids, and the uses of aldehydes and ketones you can do by your own. Ratta marne ka hai, but even they may come in the exam as a 1 or a 2 mark question. Formaldehyde, it is used as a preservative for the biological specimens. And then it is also used to prepare bakelite, which is a polymer. We have seen this bakelite in the polymer lesson. Okay, then number of like DDT, acetaldehyde, it is prepared from acetaldehyde. The various important chemicals they are prepared from it. And also अभी ये जो क्वेश्चंस है ना, it is used in adhesives, disinfectant, benzaldehyde used in perfumery, ये आपको MCQs में आ सकता है. So you do not skip the uses even of the aldehydes and ketones. So everything is important. Each and every word is important for you. In the next lecture, we proceed with carboxylic acids.